G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest. The Small Business CGT concessions, and more than that, just the Small Business Entity concessions as well. They are extremely complicated and there are lots of mistakes that get made. And that's why at Advisors Digest we're holding a full day workshop on the Small Business Concessions and the Small Business CGT concessions. We're holding them in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide and Perth. So no matter where you are, you can come along to one of our live workshops. We do it as a workshop because it takes up the whole day. The first hour, we're going to look at the small business entity concessions. What are affiliates and what concessions are available just as a small business entity. We'll then move on. The next 3 hours will be in detail going through the small business concession, the basic conditions to access them, and then we'll look at affiliates, connected entities, the active asset test. We'll look at the $6 million test in detail. And then we're going to close off the day with case studies, real case studies, where we'll go into the small business CGT concessions in detail, where you'll work in groups and have a look, are these people entitled to them or are they not? It's a big day. There's a lot to it. You get a workshop, you get a 350-page manual, you get all of the slides. Full day, small business CGT concessions, all the capital cities. Want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you in one of our workshops.